Tales by Green Wolf, episode number 24. Do you know who I am? I am Kitty. And I'm sure you heard the story of how I met my friend the dragon. And today I'm going to make a toy dragon for myself so that I can go and play with my friend. Do you want to see how I'm going to make it? Well, watch me carefully. And let me now take you through all the supplies. To make our toy dragon, we need an empty tissue roll and a colored sheet to fit this roll just correctly. Like this. You also need glue. You need yellow and red cellophane paper. You need 2 big pom-poms and 2 small pom-poms. And of course, your googly eyes. And now, let's begin to make our toy dragon. We are going to start by covering our tissue roll with a sheet of paper. I'm going to apply a little glue on the tissue roll and start pasting the sheet on it. Just like this. I'm going to apply glue all over the tissue roll. Be careful. And I'm going to roll the sheet of paper over the tissue roll now. And that's how we finish covering our tissue roll with our sheet of paper. And now we are going to take the red and yellow cellophane paper and make the fire in our dragon's mouth. Take a little glue. Apply it just a little inside and take the cellophane paper and start attaching it. I'm taking yellow and then I'm going to pick a red and I'm again going to apply a little glue and another yellow and another red. Oh, I want to put a red. And that's how you are going to put all around the inside of the tissue roll. And once you finish gluing the cellophane paper, this is how it will look. Now it is time to put the nose and the eyes for our toy dragon. For that, I'm going to take the 2 big pom-poms and fix the googly eyes on them. This is how the big pom-poms will look once you fix the googly eyes. And it's now time to give our dragon his eyes. I'm going to glue the eyes here. 1. Oh. And 2. And once you are done, oh, our dragon eyes are ready. And now I'm going to fix the nostrils. 1, 2, 1, and 2. And guess what? Our dragon is ready. Oh, let me fix it again. And now I'm going to go and play with my friend the dragon. Until then, you take care and I will see you on Monday. Till then, leave your comments on my Facebook and Instagram account.